Now let's move on to grid trading. Go to the More icon and under Trade, select Grid Trading where your screen will look like this. Now grid trading works great for buying low and selling high within a certain price range. First, set the lower price and the upper price of the price range. Let's say the lower price is 80K and the upper price is 90K. This means that buying low and selling high will happen within 80 to 90K. Second, set the grid quantity. The grid quantity is the number of levels at which buying low and selling high happens within the price range. Here, I'm going to put in 20. This means that there are 20 price levels within 80 to 90K where a buy order or a sell order gets executed. Third, select the amount you want to allocate to this grid trade. I'm going to put 10K. This is your initial deposit allocated to the grid trade. This means that anytime the price crosses the 20 grid levels between 80 to 90K, a buy or sell order gets executed. You'll be taken to a confirmation screen outlining your details to which you can confirm. You can check your grid trading history on the Grid Trading tab to where you'll see all the transactions since the order was made. You will get an email every day with your grid trading report and profit made.